Hi everybody, I want to show you how to connect MongoDB Compass to localhost. First of all, we need to install MongoDB Compass, and first of all we need to download from mongodb.com. click try free button and go to tools, select MongoDB Compass. You can select here to click download or zip, or as you see zip, and install it and go to program files, go to MongoDB server 5 bin. I have installed MongoDB. When I install while I was installing MongoDB, I have set up the MongoDB Compass too, and click here and write cmd mongo.exe, and it's running, and click media again, mongo.exe. as you see, MongoDB, right click, as you see, select and right click and go to MongoDB Compass user interface, and it is loading plugins, and I had already, and paste here, click connect, and you can able to see database as you see. Yeah, that's all. And you can see here the other one. Yeah, thank you very much for watching me.